All right, guys, welcome to the first fishing for 2025. I'm back at the lake. Just got here, first cast. I'm here with my wife. Let's see if we can see if we get anything. Beautiful day. We had some recent flooding in the area here. Constant rain for like 10 days. You can tell the lake's higher. There used to be an island over there. Well, there is an island over there when we don't get floods. It's starting to recede, but let's see how the fishing is today. Got one. Oh, I had one. Little one. Got one. I already lost one, so I ain't taking any chances. Oh, at least they're eating. They're feeding today. Little guy. All right. Oh, there's a little damage over here. All right. Get you out of here, dude. These hooks are really good, huh? There we go. All right. Little guy. Get to release. All right. Skunk's out of the boat. All right. Oh yeah, got him. Oh, he seems like a good one. We'll see. Oh yeah. All right, a little bit better. Got another one. My wife got a nice hit too. Lost it at the boat. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, easy does. I'll let you loose in a minute. They're lively this morning. They're lively this morning, I'll tell you that. All right. A little bit bigger, I think. Maybe a little chunkier. All right. Thank you, sir. beautiful day. We're supposed to have some high wind gusts later, but right now it's holding out. Oh, alrighty. Wife, you got one. Go check it out. Okay, I made it to the wife. All right, first fish of the year. Little guy, but they're chunky.
They are chunky. They look healthy again this year.
Yeah. All right. We get the release?
Somebody popped a hole in his...
Yeah, mine was damaged too. Must have been by a turtle or snapping turtle or something. We have big turtles in this.
Yeah, there's
And it's like...
right over here just flashing.
All right. Let's keep fishing. Gotta love the peace and quiet. Nobody on the lake but my wife and myself. Fish are hungry. The wind is my sail, but it's blowing me in the opposite direction. If anybody watching likes fishing videos and outdoor activity, biking, hiking, kayak fishing, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. I'm trying to grow. I'm almost at 700. On my way to 1,000. Hope you're having a good day. Life is good. Looks like we have some swans joining me on this morning's fishing trip. Beautiful, beautiful birds. Yep, the wind's good old wind. Yeah, that was something. Oh yeah. Ah, dang it, he double hit. I think he was a small one. Yep, got him. Ah, shoot, felt like a nice one. Hook set is off today a little bit. See how it goes. Let's see. Come back. I think you got a taste of that. He ain't coming back. Freaking soup. It's definitely good to be out here, though. Seems like it seems like forever.
Well, it has been.
Like half the year's gone because of all the crazy weather we've had up here in New York. Rain, cold. We had like a mini blizzard in April. Peace and quiet. The way life's supposed to be.
Want to go across the way?
Free. Open space. I love the woods. I wanna buy a cabin and eventually buy a cabin, some land, and live the dream. All right. My wife got one. That's 2 for you. What is it, about 10 inches?
Yeah, he's a little dude. Usually right around this dam is usually when I
Let me get a look-see real quick.
the small one.
Take him out, let me see him. And then we'll just...
Can't see over my vest.
Nice.
Little 10, 11.
Yeah, the wind's making it almost impossible. Got one. Got one, dear. Yeah. Feels like a decent one. Yeah. Not so much. He's all right, but maybe 12 inches. No, I said he's about 12 inches if he would sit still. But they're very lively this morning. Give me a second, guys. All right, get that out of here for a second. He's not that big, same as the other ones. Yeah, they're lively and they're fed.
He's got a nice fin on the top.
Little chunky ones. All right, get the release over here. Got one. Little one. Maybe. Maybe not. No, he's a little guy. Little guy, but feisty. Little dude. Frustration. We've all been through it. Come on, buddy. Sorry. Are you kidding me? How did that little dude do all that? Did you see my pole? You would have thought I had a 3-pound bass. This guy must be on steroids. He definitely had his Wheaties this morning. That comment's for the older generation because today's youth isn't even gonna know what that means. Oh, come on, little buddy. Oh my God. Little dude. weeds. A weed bass. All right, wife, you got one. Very nice. Pull on over and I'll just come over. We'll look at it real quick. All right, she got it all unhooked and let's get that released before Mother Nature's.
It's kind of light with the wind.
Yeah, the wind is pretty vicious today.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Comment, subscribe. Got to get to that 1,000 subscribers. What are we at? 694.
Yes, I think you said that the last time.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate it. Oh my goodness, I lost it. He's right there. Dang it. He's not biting again. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this entertainment because I told my wife she needs to put a camera on her chest and I'll put one on my chest so we can look at each other and laugh. Because this is silly. Make a comedy video for everybody. Fighting the elements. I feel like I'm in a sailboat. It's so windy, I'm about ready to, I almost lost my oar twice. My paddle. All right. How do you guys fish? We don't.
Putting the poles in the water and just letting the wind take them.
Yeah, exactly. Do some trolling. All right. But when you don't get out much and you're trying to make videos, you got to do what you got to do. And you guys hopefully get entertained by it. Thanks for watching. All right, I got one. Get him in the boat. Yeah, he's he's bigger. He's bigger than the other ones. Hold on, buddy. See, these hooks are so vicious. Yeah, they don't want, these hooks, he ain't never getting loose. Give me a second, guys. I'm never. That's right in that. Oh, for goodness gracious. Come on. All right. They're all about the same size today.
They're nice chunky.
They're chunky, but they're freaking small. But
Probably like what,
it's been a minute
14, 15.
with the wind and the conditions. I'm glad we're getting bites. All right, let's get the release. Thank you, sir.